When using the point tool in the markup toolkit, we have the option to manually add our X and Y values. So maybe we just want to do a bit of spot checking on the data to make sure things are where they're supposed to be, and we know the coordinates of a particular point, and we just want to see what that looks like against the data set. So what we could do here, so on our data set, if we select the point tool, and perhaps we know where the corner of this grid should be. So we can sort of select what we think is about the corner of that grid there. But what we now have the option to do, if we know the coordinates of that location, we can manually overtype them, and the marker will move to where that is, and we can see, what's the difference there. Bearing in mind that, we're working with a tolerance of about plus or minus 30 to 50 mil. But let's see, if we copy and paste the X and Y coordinates into here. So on the right hand side for this new marker, I can come over to the easting measurement and paste in my value over there. You see the marker change just slightly, and then paste in the northing value. So according to my design, that's where the corner of that grid should be. And we've put those exact values into that marker, and we can now zoom in and see, are we happy that that is within the tolerances we're talking about, the corner of that grid, and that looks okay. So that's how we can take those markers, as well as dropping them on to the data set. We can also edit their values to move them to a location that we know of.